The death of Nokuzola Sikeleni in Port Shepstone, KwaZulu-Natal, has dealt a heavy emotional blow to her daughter, Nandipha Makudumana, who remains in custody as she awaits trial. Makudumana, currently held at Bizana Makete Correctional Center in the Free State, learned of her mother's passing while behind bars, an experience her family has described as deeply painful. Speaking to Sunday World publication, her father Zolile Sikeleni confirmed that funeral arrangements are underway and expressed anguish that his wife has passed on while their daughter is unable to be with the family during this time of mourning. Makudumana's legal representative, Machini Motlong, said steps have been taken to ensure she receives psychological support following the loss. He added that it is important for authorities to keep her informed about funeral arrangements and developments related to her mother's passing. The Department of Correctional Services has indicated that offenders in similar situations may apply for temporary release under compassionate grounds. According to DCS spokesperson Singabakho Nxumalo, such applications are governed by Section 44(1)A of the Correctional Services Act, while allows sentenced offenders under specific conditions to leave correctional facilities for humane purposes, including maintaining family ties. However, Nxumalo emphasized that each application is evaluated on a case-by-case basis. Authorities consider factors such as offenders' risk classification, security concerns, conduct while incarcerated, and the circumstances surrounding the bereavement before making a decision. Makudumana's situation has sparked widespread public debate, particularly on social media, where opinions remain sharply divided. Some have expressed sympathy, highlighting the emotional toll of losing a parent while incarcerated and arguing that compassion should prevail regardless of legal circumstances. Others, however, pointed to the serious charges she faces, including allegations linked to aiding convicted criminal Thabo Bester's prison escape and involvement in activities surrounding manipulated deaths. Critics argue that the gravity of these accusations should weigh heavily in any decision regarding temporary release. Makudumana and Bester were arrested in April 2023 in Tanzania. After fleeing South Africa, they have remained in custody since, with their case continuing to draw national attention. As discussions continue, the question of whether Makudumana will be granted compassionate leave underscores the broader tension between human treatment of inmates and the need to uphold justice and public safety. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.